channel. Today, we are delving into the controversial legal case surrounding former President Donald Trump's attempts to overturn the 2020 election. According to recent statements from Trump's lawyer John Lauro, the defense will argue that Trump's actions were aspirational rather than criminal. Let's dive into the details and provide our commentary on this ongoing trial. The case revolves around 4 felony charges related to Trump's alleged efforts to hold on to power after the 2020 election. His attempts included pressuring then Vice President Mike Pence, members of Congress, and state officials to overturn the results in his favor. John Lauro, Trump's attorney, contends that Trump's actions fall under the protection of the First Amendment, asserting that they were simply political speech, advocating for a position, and not actual criminal acts. While freedom of speech is a fundamental right, it's important to consider the context in which these demands were made. Asking for the vice president to pause the vote and seeking to overturn an election raises serious questions about the line between political speech and potentially illegal conduct. Mike Pence, who was at the center of Trump's pressure campaign, has said that he would comply with a subpoena, but has no plans to testify at this time. Interestingly, Trump's legal team has requested a change of venue to West Virginia, which he won by a large margin in 2020. However, such requests from other January 6th defendants have been unsuccessful. If convicted on all 4 charges, Trump could face up to 55 years in prison. However, the lifetime guarantee of Secret Service protection for former presidents makes the likelihood of actual incarceration uncertain. Trump's social media posts have drawn attention, with prosecutors asking the court to impose a protective order, preventing Trump and his legal team from discussing certain evidence publicly. Recent polling data shows that a majority of Americans believe Trump attempted to remain in office beyond his term through illegal and unconstitutional means. However, opinions are divided on whether the investigations and indictments are a campaign against him or a defense of democracy. As this legal battle unfolds, the case could potentially have far-reaching implications for civil rights and the interpretation of political speech. It will be interesting to see how the trial proceeds and what arguments both the prosecution and defense will present. And that concludes our commentary on this developing story. We'll be keeping a close eye on the trial and providing updates as more information becomes available. Don't forget to like and subscribe to stay informed on all the latest legal news. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next time.